Green, Lamar Odom pulls it in. Odom's got 3 rebounds now in this one. Up with it. This all no good. And we're trailing 5-5. We're going 9-7 difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Outside Westbrook. It's tipped. It's stolen by Odom. They're running a little bit of time off. Looks like they're going to play for the final shot. I think you're right. If nothing presents itself, hold for one. Now Westbrook. 3 seconds left. It's in. Westbrook's got 5. He's just playing so well across the board, guys. Yeah, I agree. I mean, that's exactly what the stats look like. Yeah.
Foul.
More for Los Angeles after this.
Foul.
Welcome to the HP Halftime Report. I'm Damon Bruce. A great game going on out at Staples Center. The Lakers are going all out to stay in it. Boy, it's a real treat to see 2 elite teams.